Amazon FBA is one of the most powerful income models available. You find a winning product, source it from a supplier, send it to Amazon's warehouse, and Amazon handles all the storage, packing, shipping, and customer service. Your job is finding the right product and getting it listed. Amazon does everything else. The biggest challenge has always been finding winning products. Most beginners waste months testing products that never sell. AI has completely changed this. What used to take weeks of manual research now takes a single focused session with the right AI tools. Today I am showing you the complete AI-powered system for finding winning Amazon FBA products. Beginner-friendly, step-by-step, no expensive tools required. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why Amazon FBA still works. Amazon processes over 12 million transactions every single day. The platform already has the customers, the trust, and the delivery infrastructure. You simply plug your product into that system and benefit from all of it immediately. FBA sellers do not need a website, a social media following, or a marketing budget to make their first sale. Amazon's internal search engine surfaces your product to buyers who are already ready to purchase. That built-in buyer intent is something no other platform offers at the same scale. The sellers who succeed on Amazon are not the ones with the biggest budgets. They are the ones who choose their products most intelligently. Now, AI makes intelligent product selection accessible to any beginner willing to follow a clear system. Step 1. Use Claude to define your product criteria. Before searching for any specific product, you need to define exactly what you are looking for. This step alone eliminates 90% of bad product decisions. Open Claude and ask it to help you build a winning product criteria checklist for Amazon FBA. Ask it to consider factors like ideal price range, acceptable competition levels, profit margin minimums, weight and size limits for manageable shipping costs, and categories that are growing in demand rather than declining. Claude will return a detailed criteria framework. A strong starting point for most beginners is a selling price between $20 and $50, a profit margin above 30% after all costs, a product that weighs under 2 pounds, and a category with proven consistent demand but not dominated by major brands. Save this criteria list. Every product you evaluate gets measured against it. If a product does not meet the criteria, you move on immediately without spending more time on it. Step 2. Generate product ideas with AI. Now you need a list of product candidates to evaluate. Open Claude and ask it to generate 50 product ideas that match your criteria. Tell it you are looking for physical products to sell on Amazon FBA that have consistent demand, manageable competition, and strong profit potential for a beginner seller. Claude produces a comprehensive list quickly. Read through every suggestion. Mark the ones that feel genuinely interesting and commercially logical. Aim to shortlist 10 to 15 products for deeper evaluation. Then ask Claude to help you think through the shortlist more critically. For each product on your list, ask Claude what the main risks are, who the likely competition is, and whether demand is growing or declining. Claude's analysis helps you eliminate weak candidates before investing any time in detailed research. You should be left with 5 to 8 strong candidates after this stage. These are the products worth taking into the next level of validation. Step 3. Validate with Amazon data. Claude gives you ideas and analysis. Amazon gives you real market data. You need both. Go to Amazon and search for each of your candidate products. Look at the top 10 listings for each search. Check 3 specific things for every product. First, check the bestseller rank. Every Amazon product has a BSR number in its category. A BSR under 5,000 in a main category indicates strong sales volume. A BSR over 50,000 suggests low sales and weak demand. You want products where multiple listings show strong BSR numbers consistently. Second, check the review counts on the top listings. Under 200 reviews on the top sellers signals a market where a new seller can compete. Over 1,000 reviews on every top listing signals a mature, saturated market that is very difficult to enter as a beginner. Third, check the pricing across the top listings. If all the top sellers are priced between $25 and $40, there is clear price stability in the market. If prices vary wildly, it often signals unhealthy competition or a race to the bottom on price. Bring your findings back to Claude. Share what you observed for each product and ask Claude to help you rank your candidates from most to least promising based on the data you collected. This combined analysis of AI intelligence and real market data is far more powerful than either approach alone. Step 4. Analyze profit margins with AI. A product that sells well but leaves no profit is worse than useless. Before committing to any product, you need to know exactly what you will make on every sale. Ask Claude to help you build a profit calculation framework for Amazon FBA. The key costs are your product cost from the supplier, Amazon FBA fees based on size and weight, shipping costs to Amazon's warehouse, and Amazon's referral fee of 8 to 15% of the selling price. Go to Alibaba and find 3 suppliers for your product. Note the unit cost at a minimum order of 100 to 500 units. Use Amazon's free FBA revenue calculator to calculate exact fees based on your product dimensions. Enter your selling price and product cost to see your profit per unit. A strong FBA product leaves at least $8 to $12 profit per unit after all costs. Bring these numbers to Claude and ask it to confirm whether the margin supports a sustainable business at your income goals. Step 5. Source your product and launch. Once you have identified a winning product with validated demand and healthy margins, the final step is sourcing and launching. Go to Alibaba and contact your top 3 to 5 suppliers for the product. Ask Claude to write your supplier outreach message. It should request a product sample, ask about minimum order quantities, confirm production lead times, and inquire about customization options for packaging and branding. Order samples from 2 or 3 suppliers before committing to a bulk order. Evaluate each sample carefully against your product criteria. Choose the supplier that offers the best combination of quality, price, and reliability. Ask Claude to help you write your Amazon product listing. Your title, bullet points, and product description all need to be keyword optimized and benefit focused. Give Claude your product details, your target buyer, and the main benefits and use cases. Claude produces a complete listing in minutes. A well-written listing is one of the most important factors in your product's ranking and conversion rate on Amazon. Once your listing is live and your inventory arrives at Amazon's warehouse, your product is discoverable by millions of active buyers immediately. Your action plan starting today. Open Claude and build your product criteria checklist. Generate 50 product ideas and shortlist your best candidates. Validate each using Amazon's BSR, review counts, and pricing. Calculate margins using Alibaba and Amazon's FBA calculator. Contact suppliers and order samples. Write your listing with Claude and launch. The sellers who win on Amazon are not the luckiest. They are most systematic. This system gives you that edge from your very first product. Which product category are you thinking of starting with? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment with specific product evaluation advice. If this gave you a clear FBA roadmap, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.